Hey there everyone, and thank you for joining me for today's Christmas home decor haul from TJ Maxx and Target. I found some great items and cannot wait to share them with you. So let's jump right on in here and start this Christmas decor haul. So we're going to start here with my Target Christmas decor haul. There is so much to choose from. I'm sure that you can find even more that you love. I tried to get only the things that I absolutely thought I needed and wanted, but would also go with a lot of my existing decor that I have had from Christmases past. So we'll start here in the dollar section. And you can hear it. We have these jingle bells from the dollar spot. They were $3. They are these little iron bell picks. I think I am going to pull these off and use them in DIY projects. You get 5 of them on here. I love that gold color with the antiquing of the black on there, and they're just so cute and precious. They're very small in size. So I got 2 of these to work with on DIY projects. I will have those coming for you shortly as well. The other dollar spot picks I got were these LED stems. It has a battery pack and these LED lights along the stems, and you can shape them and bend them. I have seen these used in all kinds of arrangements with your other greenery, and it just lights up and looks so nice. So I picked up 3 of these stems as well. That was all they had in black. They also have them in white if your aesthetic is white greenery, so that it blends in. So check out those and be on the lookout for those in your Target dollar spot. The other stems I picked up were Threshold, and the first being these $5 magnolia stems that are metallic. They're kind of a silver and gold color. I think these are going to be beautiful in my mini vases and pots, but I can also use these throughout the winter months. I will get a lot of use out of these. They were well worth the investment. The other Target stems that I purchased, I got 3 of these. They are Threshold. These were pricier. They were $14.99. I will say they are not very soft. They look like cedar, and this one is very realistic and lifelike. I picked up 3 of these, and that was quite an investment, but I know I will be able to use these for many years to come and also into winter, and I'm all about extending the life of all of my home decor. My other Target Christmas finds were these little tiny wreaths. These are Hearth and Hand. They're actually napkin rings, but you can see how little and cute these are. I think these are going to be adorable little accents. I have gotten a lot of velvet ribbon, and those little bells I think could attach so cute to these, and just add them around to my candlesticks, to little pictures, just little places in my home to bring that Christmas spirit in and around everywhere. I picked up 2 sets of these just because I have a feeling these are going to go quick. I purchased these, and then I have been seeing tons of reels over on Instagram of people using these. So if you're interested in these, I think they have a high sellout rate. And you can go find me on Instagram at Uniquely Lesa 2. That's Lesa with an E and the number 2. I try to post additional content over there, as well as answer messages and comments, so you can talk to me over there as well. This candle is from Threshold, and it was $10. I thought it was beautiful. It is cashmere vanilla and so pretty. The mercury glass is so popular. This ridged design and this shape is so popular. I wish you could smell it. It smells really good. This is a really cute little arrangement. I got it back in the Hearth and Hand section. It just has tabletop arrangement. It was $7.99. They had different sizes of these. The little stems in here are bendable. I need to fluff these out. But this is going to be a really cute just as a little decoration in and around with my other stuff. This table runner is really pretty. It is Hearth and Hand, and it is 72 inches long by 14 inches wide, was $19.99. It is very simple. It is that Joanna and Chip Gaines farmhouse look, and I'm not really into farmhouse, but I loved the simplicity of this, and I love to mix more rustic pieces like this with my elevated high-end looking, because I don't do high-end pricing around here, home decor and Christmas decor. This does not have green in it, so I feel like I can use this into Valentine's Day as well, even possibly 4th of July if I want to add some blue accents for that red, white, and blue. So a good investment into my home decor, not just for Christmas, but for beyond that as well. For my TJ Maxx Christmas decor, my store is not really stocked very well. I keep seeing everybody else doing shop with me's and hauls, and theirs are like fully stocked. Mine is a little bit slower to get on to the program here. So I've picked up a few things. I like to check back in there often just because the merchandise turns over so quickly. You see something new every time you go. So I was excited to find these pine cone stems. There are 3 of them here in this bundle. They were priced really good at $12.99. They are plastic, so they're not going to break and crumble on you, but look how realistic they are. I think they look very realistic. And you put them in with your greenery stems, and it carries on all the way through the holidays, but also into January. So another great staple. I could even use these next year in fall. The first thing I saw when I went back into the Christmas section of my TJ Maxx store was this candle. How cute is he? I wanted to call her she, but it's got antlers, so it's clearly a little boy deer. So cute. It's a Martha Stewart brand, and the scent is Deck the Halls. I got this for $9.99. And I just love it. It's cute little eyelashes and this little detailing here on its collar, the little gold antlers. Again, I wish you could smell it. It smells really good. It has notes of like cinnamon, but something sweet. And I can't figure out what the scent is, but a very nice smell. It's going to be so cute, but then smells so good in my kitchen. I think that's where I'm putting him. You'll have to stick around and see. This was not in the Christmas section. It was just with all the other regular home decor. But look at that pretty moss green. And I love the checkerboard. Checkerboard is so popular and on trend right now. But I have loved the Mackenzie Childs Courtly check for many, many years. So I love this aesthetic. And the green was just perfect for this little bud vase. I can make arrangements in this. It is by the brand Sunday Morning Ceramics, and it costs $9.99. Again, I think this is something I can use well beyond Christmas. It kind of goes with my aesthetic and decor anyway. You're going to be seeing these everywhere this Christmas and holiday season. Not just nutcrackers, but these bronzed nutcrackers. They are wooden. They're very lightweight. I'm going to guess he's about 8 inches, and he was only $6.99. Super cute. I have a huge collection of nutcrackers, so I was excited to add these in. And this is the larger And he was $12.99. And very just rustic simplicity, but with this gold and antique look. Looks very high-end, very glam, and is going to elevate my home decor for Christmas. Not Christmas decor, but if you see these lollipops or suckers, what do y'all call them where you're at? They're labeled strawberry lollipops, but where I live in my region of Texas, most people call them suckers. But look how cute those are. They have the little Santa face. They had some in different flavors with different prints. They had a reindeer and they had a Christmas tree. It was $4.99, and there are 22 lollipops in this bag. They're really good, and my boys like these, so I snagged a bag of those. Thank you all so much for joining me today for this Target and TJ Maxx Christmas Decor Haul 2023. I hope you saw something you loved and maybe you can run out and get your hands on it. I am so glad you joined me, and I appreciate you being here, spending your precious time with me. If you enjoyed this video, I always appreciate that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe bar, ring your notification bell, and come back because I have a lot of Christmas decorating content to share with you. I am fast and furiously decorating, editing, uploading. It's all coming just as fast as I can get it together. So I hope you join me in those future videos. Until then, have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you again real soon.